Hurry up! Hurry up! Turn it off! Hurry up! Turn it off! Hurry up! Turn it off! Hurry up! Nemi, that was so scary. Yeah, what was that? Nemi, answer the door. No, you. Nemi, go ahead. No, where? Nemi, go ahead. Someone is calling you. Go. Hurry up. You go. Nemi, Koya, you go. Yes. Who are you? A shark? The ocean? What was that? Yes. Close the door! Close the door! How can strange things come to our house? I cannot stand anymore. What the... What was that? What's going to happen next? No. What's next? Who is it? I can be helped. I'm back. Nemi! Oh, Koya! I came back home. Are you okay? Didn't you get injured? Are you okay? You sure? Are you okay? What a relief. Where are you, by the way? Well, I don't know, but there were so many dinosaurs out there. That was so scary, though. Why didn't you pick me up? How come? How? Koya, what's this? I forgot to wash my hands. It's done. Meat is sizzling in the pan. One, two. It's done. Next is this soup. Soup. Stretching. Mix all the ingredients. I am mixing. All right. It's done. All right. Ta-da! Ta-da! Next is an egg. It's an egg. Yay! It's an egg. Huh. Oh yeah, not yet. Is my dinner ready? I'm hungry. Almost ready. Almost. It's looking good. Okay, thanks. It's done. Nemi, it's ready. It's ready. Are you sure? I'm starving. Let's eat. Koya, what's this? What's this? Oh, well, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna eat. How is it? What's this? Seriously, this tasted like... I don't know. Huh? Yuck! Whatever. Tastes bad. What are you hiding? Nothing. What? Behind your back? Nothing. Teddy foods are too bad. Ew. It tastes... No. I'm stuffed.
What's up, Ma?
Okay. Ew. I forgot to wash my hands. Pee on my hands. Phew. I'm so full. Oh yeah, thanks. Sure. I'm so full. I cannot eat anymore. I can't move. Oh. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Are you okay? What's What's wrong? I've got a stomach ache. It hurts. Are you okay? It hurts. Are you okay? It hurts. Are you okay? Your stomach is getting bigger. It hurts. Nemi, you should lie down on the floor. It hurts. Hurts. It hurts. Are you okay? It hurts. It hurts. It very hurts. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Take an ambulance. Oh my! You got better, right? What is this? What did you guys eat? Homemade food from Koya. Homemade cooking. Homemade cooking. Is that true? It's true. How did this happen? Well, actually, I cannot say. How come? Actually, take a seat. Then let me know. No. Say the truth. Say it. Actually, yeah. I didn't wash my hands after using the bathroom, then she got the stomach ache. Did you make dinner without washing your hands? Yes. Oh no! And she ate it all. Oh no! That's why she got the stomach ache. Yes, that's why. Don't do that ever again. Yes. Then, please don't forget to wash your hands after using the bathroom. Yes. Before you cook, wash my hands. When you get home, wash my hands. After you finish studying, wash my hands. Before you eat, wash my hands. Everybody gotta wash their hands. Well done. Don't forget to wash your hands. Wash. No drinking under 21. What? The TV is broken. Maybe the gorilla will come out. No. TV. Oops. Oh my God. Turn it off. What was that? Come here, please. What is that?
calm down? Really? Hey! Come here, please. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Please help me. Help me. Please. Please help me. When the white gorilla lose his consciousness, many curs started to pass in the forest, and the animals in the forest are so afraid. So please help us. Alright, we're going to do that. Wait a minute. Sorry to keep you waiting. I'm ready. So let's go. Come with me.
Wow!
It's so cool. It was true. In this deep forest, there are many curs. It is really dangerous. It's here. Please come here. Are you okay? Are you alright? We're going to check you. How is it, doctor? Doctor, it is not like that. You have to do like this. Like this. You have to do like this. Like this. Yes, yes, you're right. Like that. Where is that? We need that. Please, please. Alright, so please see here. Okay, so we're going to take your temperature. Alright. It's high. If you take this medicine, you will get alright. Please drink it. Alright. Now everything is okay. The white king gorilla has relieved. I will take you guys back home with this special board. Special? It must be so fun. It's so fun. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for helping White King Gorilla. Oh, oh my God. Okay, so it's a game. Who can fish more fishes win. Okay, I will definitely win. Oh, I think I catch. Wow, it's so heavy. Oh my God. Oh my God, I catch it. I'm so happy. Nemi, I got it. Yeah, good for you. I will beat you. Nemi, go for it. Go for it. Okay, I will catch more fishes. I think I catch it. Oh, it's so heavy again. Oh, I could catch a fish. Yippee! Yay! I'm so happy. Alright, I will fish more fishes. I will not lose. Wow! I think I got a big fish. Oh! Oh my God! Wow! It's so heavy! Oh my God! Wow! It's a huge octopus! Are you okay? No! Wait, we should take it home. Koya, hurry up! Alright, I got the octopus. Alright, so let's make some octopus balls. I love octopus balls. Wait, but where is the octopus? Oh, the octopus? Oops, where is it? Where is it? What? Oh, shadow to catch him. Alright, so let's make a big octopus balls. Look, it's octopus. Wow, it sounds really good. Okay, we need a big octopus ball. Okay. No, I think we cannot do that. I think no, I think we'll break it. Wait. 3, 2, 1. It was a fail.
いただきます。
No, I can't. It's so hot.
いただきます。
Okay, so here I go. My octopus is out. It's hot. It's hot, right? It's hot, okay. It's yummy. Yeah, but it was really hot.